Did you know that you could use any photo in your camera roll and turn it into a sticker? But what's a sticker? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make and use stickers in Instagram Reels. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. Stickers are just graphics that you can add to your Instagram Reels. You can use some pre-selected ones that Instagram creates for you, or you can use your own. So to add stickers, you first have to make your Instagram Reel. So I'm just gonna add a video. Ooh, love that. Now, there's a couple ways to access stickers. So if I see this screen like this and I have the menu up top, I can use this happy face. And here it's going to have a couple stickers right here. If I press search, it's going to show me what the trending ones are. So let's add one of these. Ooh, this one's fun. It's moving us way down. Okay, perfect. Say I want it for just a particular part of it. So I can click on the clip itself and then see down here, I'm just gonna pause this. See down here, it's gonna have this indicator for the sticker. I'm just gonna zoom out. So I just pinch my fingers together so I can zoom out and see the whole timeline. And then I can use these yellow indicator bars to add it to wherever I want. So it's just gonna play here. There you go. Now, to add stickers when you're here, it's just right down here and you're going to be able to access the same menu. So you can press that, you can see the top ones, you can search for anything you'd like. So say for example, I want sweet, keep with our theme. Let's add a little, oh, I like that one. If you're not able to zoom in and out unless you press done, and then I can click on the big screen again, then I'm going to be able to zoom in and out. There we go. Let's go to edit. And you can see it's going to appear for that certain duration. I can click on it and I can adjust it so that it's going to be for the whole thing. Now I can add custom stickers too. So my own stuff, and it's basically like photos. To add your own with the background removed, so I'm just going to go to sticker, is this right here. So you can see this photo. I'm just going to click on that. And then I can add, this is a PNG, so this is like my logo. I can add that, say done, and then I'm gonna have that appear and I can change the duration for where that appears. You can also add photos. So let's go sticker and let's add this photo. Once you click on the photos and add your photos, you can actually click on it for more options. So you have different shapes. This works really well if you have like a circular profile picture that you want to add to the side. There we go. Wait, let's click on that again. Let's get back to that circle. There we go. And now I can just rotate it and move it around. Press done. When it's in this edit module and you see just the lines at the bottom, you're not going to be able to move around where each of the stickers appear. You can only do that when you click back on the big screen. And say, for example, you don't want one of these stickers in here anymore. Let's get rid of this logo. I can just grab that sticker and then slide it down to the trash can. And it's gone. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.